Hi guys, today we will see how to use the Bezier tool in CorelDRAW. Basically, Bezier tool is used for drawing curves. Instead of straight line, Bezier tool is used for drawing curves. So, we'll see how it works. Right click, you will see the line tool. As in previous video, shown, we have learned about how to use freehand tool and the polyline tool. Now we are going to learn the Bezier tool. See, each line has nodes. So if I click and don't release the mouse button, click the left button and drag, you can see two arrows are coming. These arrows are used for determining the angles. You can see how it rotates. You can decide the angles and acceleration. So I will show you two similar drawings with difference in acceleration. So clearly see, this is I am putting a small acceleration and 90-degree release, and I am placing another point over here. You can see with similar acceleration, not much. And press the space button or escape button. So you can see a curve appear. So I am placing another with much larger acceleration, 90-degree with much larger acceleration. So I am placing another point similar to that, and with the same acceleration of the first point, as of the first point. Space, press the space button. So you can see the difference between these two. This is with the same angle, 90-degree with lesser acceleration, and this one with the greater acceleration. And the Bezier tool is never stopping. If we do not press the space button, it goes on. I'll show you another example. I am clicking a point, an average acceleration. See, it is never ending. If I click the node, it will be closing. Then press escape button or space button or arrow mark, anything. See, this is an object. You see, there is a here when we close the node, this portion is straight. The other is a smooth curve. So, in order to rectify or edit this drawn object, double click the object. So, you can see either you can click a node, arrow marks appear. Each arrow marks appear, and you can edit like this. You can edit like this. Even though we edit, there is a small problem. You can see over here, it is not correct. The curve is not smooth curve. So I need to edit this thing. So I am double clicking. For deleting a node, you can just double click. So you can see now the curves are smooth. So if we double click, a node gets deleted. So if you want, you can drag here. You can make any alteration. If you want to add a node, you can select a point, a black dot appear, and right click and add. Okay. So in this way you can add a point. Undo. Or if you want to make this a line, right button to line. So this is how we are making to a line. So in this way you can use the Bezier tool for drawing. It is one of the professional tools. Basic tools, everybody suggests the polyline or freehand tool. Pen tool is also a great tool, but Bezier tool is something somewhat difficult. not with everyone. If you get much greater practice, it will be great. So in this way, you can draw unlimited numbers of lines. You can draw complicated drawings using this tool. Alright, I hope everything is clear. Do let me know if anything pops up through the comment section, and please subscribe my channel and have a great day. Thank you guys.